In this video, I'm going to talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This here is the creator combo. I'm going to open the box, I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to show you everything that you get inside this box. Now, just the background, I've literally just bought this. I've took one tab off of the top, but I haven't opened it up. I literally just bought it for £550 in July 2026. The link will be somewhere in the description of the video if you want to buy it for yourself. DJI little sticker. You've got your quick start guide, creator combo safety, and some type of QR code to join the community. This looks like the little carry case. About the size of my hand. I presume everything is inside here. This bag is a very similar size to this bag here. It's very similar size. But this bag has a lot more compartments. You can see everything you put in here will be a lot more secure. USB Type-C. USB Type-C to Type-C connection. This here must be the charger for the actual unit. So clip on USB Type-C. So this is the light. DJI mic. Maybe it's the receiver, I'm not sure. This is the wide lens. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like some type of, you can charge, you can attach a gimbal, like a tripod to it at the bottom. And you've got release clips there. Muffler for the mic. This here has just stuck itself together, so it's a magnet, I presume, for the mic. Maybe it's a clip that goes onto, and we'll check that out in a bit, but it's some type of magnet. Another top of muffler. Here's the camera itself. The first time I've ever held one of these cameras. Fits in the hand, nice. How it works, I don't know. From watching videos, you flick the screen. Just clip that up. So this looks like some type of lock. Locks the gimbal into place. Take that off. Now I'm able to flip the screen. So this is everything that you get with it. Again, I've never used this before, so let's just try putting it together and see what goes where. So this looks like it needs this to be connected first. Connect that first. This. So as you can see, with the actual stand itself, when you attach the stand, it's not the smallest. It loses the small value that it had, right? But literally, as soon as you take this off here, it can fit into the palm of your hand nicely. You can walk around, vlog with this really well. I will be making more videos on this. This, like I said, is the Pocket 4. I have used previously the Action, DJI Action, and I also use my iPhone 13 Pro Max. But going forward with my YouTube videos, I will predominantly be using this now. So if you want more info on this, let me know. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe for more content.